Hi, it's Mason Rashtian of the Mason Law Firm. Have you ever considered getting a dashboard camera for your vehicle? Have you ever wondered whether it's beneficial to have or not? I can tell you from experience of handling many cases where our clients had dashboard cameras that it helps a lot when it comes to liability disputes. In one occasion, we had a client who was rear-ended on a street. The other side claimed that she was in the lane closest to the curb, that our client passed her by on her left-hand side, switched lanes in front of her, and slammed his brakes. Well, our client had a dashboard camera which showed otherwise. It showed that he was in the lane closest to the curb. He never switched lanes, never passed anybody, and you could clearly see the camera shake when he got rear-ended from behind. In another case, we had a client who was on the freeway driving a Tesla, and he was sideswiped by a tractor trailer. The driver of the truck said, "I never switched lanes," but the vehicle's dash camera clearly showed that the truck entered into our client's lane, sideswiped him, and pushed him into the center divider. So yes, having a dash camera can help a lot when you have a liability dispute. My name is Mason Rashtian, and we meet our clients by accident.